In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to create a menu animation directly in Figma. Grab something tasty and let's get started. First, let's choose the icons we need for the menu. For this, I usually use the Hugicons Icon Library plugin. Find the icons you need and drag them onto the Figma canvas. Once the icons are selected, change their color. It's best to merge all icon elements into a single vector. This helps avoid animation issues later. Simply select all vector layers of the icon and apply Flatten. Next, select all icon vectors and adjust the stroke width. After that, select all icons and create a component set. This will allow us to quickly replace icons in the future. Now let's move to the second step, creating the button component and animating it. Take the icon component we created earlier, add text to it, and wrap everything in an auto layout. If you're not sure how to do this, there's a video on the channel that explains how to properly create buttons using auto layout. Once the button is ready, adjust its parameters as needed. Duplicate the button and create another variant. This will be the pressed state. Keep in mind that mobile devices don't have a hover state, so it's not applicable there. Customize the button however you like. In the default button state, hide the text layer. We don't need it in the normal state. Select both buttons and create a component set. If you get an error, just make sure the component variants are named correctly. Now animate the button. Next step, creating the menu and animating it. Take the button component from the library, duplicate it as many times as needed, and replace the icons in each button. That's exactly why we created the icon component set earlier. Fast and convenient, right? Select all buttons and combine them into an auto layout. Adjust spacing and alignment based on your needs. At this point, we have the default menu state when nothing is selected. Now duplicate the menu as many times as the number of active states you need. Starting from the second menu variant, change the first button to the clicked state. Repeat this process for the remaining variants. Create a component set, and if you run into errors like I did, just rename the variants. That usually fixes everything. Animate the menu. To quickly select similar elements, hold Shift and click through them. Let's preview the animation. Yes, it looks great. Everything works smoothly and correctly. Great job, designer. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.